There are times when we ask, what is true meaning? And that's a difficult one because for different people, it's different things. But for people of faith, true meaning is Jesus. True meaning is what he has done for us. And for people that have problems mentally, particularly with depression, holding on to that is vital, no matter how we feel or how we don't feel. Depression's a toughie because when you have it, it's very hard to let go of that selfish urge to look at yourself and to keep the focus on yourself and to go outside yourself. The letter of 1 John does this very succinctly, particularly if you look at chapter 4. It talks about the love of God and how the love of God has to express itself outside by action, not by feelings. So it's simple. It's very simple, in fact. And this is for anybody that suffers from depression. Anybody, be they an old grump like me, be they a young skinhead, be they somebody who's into hip hop, be they somebody who's into all sorts of things, be they some young person, be they some goth. Focus on others. Focus on God. Let him be your guide. With him is true meaning. True meaning. With him is true fulfillment. Perfect love casts out fear. But when we're focused on ourselves, we're not in perfect love. We're in hopelessness. We're in despair. But know this, God loves you. Okay, so as usual, I've got to get new glasses. But as usual, I'll see you. That's you, and you, and you, and you. I'll see you on the flip side. See you now.